What's up, guys? It's your boy New back here with another video, and today we're gonna be unboxing the iPhone 17 base model that comes in black. Let's get into it. Basically, these numbers shouldn't show, so my baby's here. Let's go, bro. Yeah. Okay. In the box, we got the 17. As you can see, in black, looking good with that aluminum on it. We got the Type-C to Type-C braided cable, SIM ejector tool, and that's pretty much all we get in the box. All right, guys, so I'm gonna set it up later and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.